Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix Windows 11 mail app not working properly. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To fix mail app not working properly, click on Start menu, in search type mail, right click on mail and click on app settings. Now scroll down. Here you will find reset. If this app is not working right, we can try to repair it and the app's data would not be affected. Now click on repair button here. Windows Mail app is repairing. Repair has been successfully finished. Hope this will solve your issue. If this app still is not working right, then reset it. The app data will be deleted. Now click on reset button here and then click on reset. The mail app is resetting. The reset has been finished. Hope now mail app is working properly. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.